Good morning guys! Welcome to another Patty Kim series. Okay, so matitikman tayo dito sa Ikebukuro. Dinayo talaga namin. It's like an old house na parang, ano ba to? Hindi siya old house. Basta tatami yung ano niya. Around the city, tapos makakita ka ng ganitong place. So, titikman namin yung matcha, coffee, and also yung parang specialty cake nila. Nakapila na kami ngayon. So, let's go guys. I don't know if it's Chanoma, Kanoma, Shanoma. Ewan ko. What do you think? Comment down below. Ito na guys. Yan yung meat mananawat. Arigato gozaimasu. Okay guys, first ano ng patikim. Mabalanse. Next is this one. This is their specialty. Tignan natin. It's a chocolate na. Basta masarap. Let's taste the matcha. Pero lasa ko naman yung matcha. It's just that it's not that strong. Hindi ko alam kung ano siya, pero let's try. That's good. Like it's normal. Next, coffee. Lahat tinikman. Siguro, if you're aiming to go here, just go for the coffee instead of the matcha. Ako yung nag-decide para sa kanila. Okay, anyway, I'm gonna eat. The place is so nice.